morning, March 25th, 2026. We're at Washington, D.C. Union Terminal. We're looking at Amtrak Train 51, the Cardinal. It operates 3 times a week from Penn Station, New York City to Chicago Union Station. I'm taking it from Philadelphia 30th Street Station, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, to Chicago Union Station. We're looking at the changing of the guard. The Amtrak Cities Sprinter electric locomotive that came from Penn Station, New York City, has been cut off, and probably for the rest of the trip, a General Electric P42 DC diesel electric locomotive will couple on here, take us to Chicago. The consists of the Cardinal here today is 2 Bud Amfleet coaches, 1 Bud Amfleet cafe car, 1 Viewliner sleeping car, bringing up the rear, 1 Viewliner baggage dorm sleeping car. Again, Wednesday morning, March 26, 2026, Chicago, Washington, D.C. Union Station, Amtrak Train 51, the Cardinal, over and out.